Can the compressor in my vintage 2002 Payne model PA10JA048-C be replaced with a new variable speed scroll compressor? The existing one seems to have failed and won't start. It trips the 40 amp breaker.
Welcome. I will do my best to assist you with an answer. I offer training and step-by-step coaching beyond that. You can install a variable speed scroll, but other system modifications would also be necessary. The total cost would be way more than it's worth, especially considering the unit is already 12 years old, and the average lifespan is in that range. If the existing compressor trips the 40 amp breaker, it is about 40% likely that it is burned out. That creates acids and sludges in the system that are very hard to remove. You can buy acid test strips at the drugstore to test for acid. There are legal issues with the approach unless you have the proper licensing and do it without releasing any refrigerant to the atmosphere. If there is any significant acid in the system, replacing the entire outside unit is the minimum required. If there is black sludge, then the cooling coil and connecting tube must be replaced as well. We keep going until you have all the insight into this situation that you need.
I don't necessarily want to do this work myself. I was really wondering if the guts of my old system could be replaced with a newer, more efficient Copeland scroll compressor. Your response makes it obvious that this is a job for an HVAC professional. My system is a split system, so it looks like I'm looking at a new outside unit. What brands use the Copeland scroll compressor? Only Emerson.
Roughly 70% of the brands on the market use one version or the other of the Copeland scroll compressor, or the Copeland variable speed or variable capacity compressor. These are all different configurations. The thing to do is look for the brand and model number you find most appropriate and buy it regardless of the compressor brand. I need to know a bit about your budget and how long you intend to stay in the house. Tell me about your house in detail, and how far you are from the nearest city so that I can assess the weather conditions, and I will recommend a few configurations and brands that will be appropriate. Phil.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.